We're going to do an unboxing of the YKZ 4000 mAh super power bank. It's 100-watt PD rapid charge. It has smart IPS display and supports charging and discharging. 100-watt PD fast charging, IP67 waterproof. So this thing is waterproof, which I think is so cool. And it also has a 500 lumens lighting. So it's basically a really cool flashlight as well. I love the design of this power bank. It's super sleek and it's got a really nice handle to it. This is the flashlight part. And then this is the display area. And then you can just open here. And it has 2 USB-C ports and then 2 USB ports. And it has this really safe looking guard right here. And the wrist strap feels very, very sturdy as well. It doesn't feel super heavy either, which is great. And then I'll just turn on the flashlight. This seems very, very bright too, which is super handy to have in a power bank. Oh, and then it changes the lights too, so it can be super bright or super not bright. You can turn it off easily. What I really like about this is when I'm traveling and I'm camping, I can charge my laptop with this thing because it carries so much power. I can be charging my phone and I don't have to worry about it dropping. I don't have to worry about putting it in water by accident if it happened to fall into water out of my bag. So it also comes with USB-C charging cable too, right here. And overall, this product is great.